For this solving systems quiz, I have two equations. One of them is in slope-intercept form, and one of them is in standard form. On the one that is in slope-intercept form, I have a slope of 5 over 3 and a y-intercept of -7. So we're going to go down here to -7 and put a point. Then we have a slope of 5 over 3, which tells us to go up 5 and to the right 3. Something like that. We should be able to draw our line. Next, we look at our second equation. Our second equation is in standard form. We have an a of 1, a b of 3, and a c of -3. If I wanted to write some of its information down, I might write something like its x-intercept. So its x-intercept would be c over a, which would be -3 over 1. So on the x-axis, I would go to -3. If I wanted to know its y-intercept, I would do c over b, which in our case would be -3 over 3, which gives us a y-intercept of -1. And if we wanted the slope, it would be -a over b. So we have -1 over 3, so down 1 and to the right 3. So down 1, right 3, down 1, right 3. Down 1, right 3. And we should see our intersection point. So we'll go ahead and draw our line. And they happen to cross at 1, 2, 3. -2. So 3, -2 would be our solution. For the second part, they want us to solve this system by substitution. So we need to pick which equation looks easiest. The second one to me looks easiest, so I'm going to use it in the first column. I would have x plus y equals 3. I'm going to solve for x, so I have to get rid of the plus y. I'm going to subtract y from both sides. So I have x equals 3 minus y. And this is what I'll use as x's sub. Since I used that equation in the first column, I need to use the other equation in the second column. So I have 2x minus 3y equals -19. In place of x, I'm going to put it sub. So I have 2 times 3 minus y, and then minus 3y equals -19. Distribute, and I get 6 minus 2y minus 3y equals -19. If I combine like terms, I have 6 minus 5y equals -19. Next, I'll subtract 6 from both sides, leaving me -5y equals -25. And then I'll divide both sides by -5. So y is equal to 5. Now what I know is that y is equal to 5. So I'm going to go up here and start my third column with my sub-equation. Remember, we had our sub-equation in the first column. So x is equal to 3 minus y. And we now know that y is 5. So x is equal to 3 minus 5, which gives us an x of -2. So we have an xy coordinate pair that is a solution to our system that is -2, 5.